it's Britt
and Sam,
and we're in our hometown for the weekend.
Yeah.
So we're gonna vlog like everything we do at home.
Yeah, and like some tourist attractions in Campbellford,
The big old
Ontario.
Seaford.
Yep. So enjoy.
Bye. We're at the suspension bridge.
Let's go. Hey Britt, do you have another toonie I can borrow?
Oh yeah, right there.
Whoa!
Welcome to the Big Toonie. We're about to go into our old workplace that me and Sam both used to work at.
We had some good times.
Really good times there.
We might buy some stuff, who knows? So we got one of our most famous high school meals. Yum.
She's a one of a kind. I'm going once, going twice. Now so the lady in the second row. She's an 8, she's a 9, she's a 10. I know she got ruby red lips, blonde hair, blue eyes. I'm about to bid my heart goodbye. Got that super soaker hit that GFCC.
It's 1:45 right now, and we're gonna go tobogganing.
Because we're kind of bored, so we thought, why not? Let's do something cool.
And we're going in
Laundry baskets.
Yeah, because none of us had actual toboggans,
so this could be interesting.
Enjoy.
So. Our bus is there, but not coming.
We don't know what to do. It's like really cold.
It's cold and we're stuck. The buses are
It's
letting
like
us
so
go.
delayed. We're like, what? Oh my god. We're like walking around in a fucking.
This is our bus, but he got off.
Like he's walking around. Like, get back here.
My ears are so cold.
Okay, so update. We're on a bus. We don't know really where it goes. Yeah, it's not the bus we needed because the station we were supposed to go to closed because of the weather. So now we're just kind of risking it. We don't know where we're going. And we kind of just got stuck trying to get up a hill with the bus. But like, we're on the road. We're on the road to go home-ish. Ish.
Mitchell came to pick us up because he's saved our lives, and Cassie came for support. Thank you, Mitchell! Thank you!
Okay, so it's 1 a.m. We're finally home. Thank God. That was like the worst day ever. Crazy day. Like, so much happened on one.
After our friends picked us up, we were just driving and we see this woman get hit by a car. So like we pull over, like people were calling 911, like oh my god.
All that happened, yeah.
She was okay, but like we had to give like police statements and stuff. And if you're watching this, lady, I hope you're doing great and recovering. But
yeah. The video's gonna be day late because it was
that was just
a little bit much happened. So anyways, like and subscribe and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.